Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up a drip strategy in Etrade. In this video, we will walk you through the steps you need to take to effectively utilize a dividend reinvestment plan, commonly known as a drip. This strategy can be beneficial for growing your investment portfolio over time without having to add new capital regularly. First, log into your Etrade account. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the Accounts section. From there, click on the Positions tab to see the list of your investments. You will want to identify the stocks or funds that pay dividends, as these will be the candidates for your drip strategy. Next, select the specific stock for which you want to enable the drip. Click on the Dividends option for that stock, and you should see the option to enroll in a dividend reinvestment plan. Follow the prompts to enroll and confirm your choices. Once you have successfully enrolled, your dividends will automatically be reinvested to purchase additional shares of the same stock. Finally, keep an eye on your investments over time. The beauty of a drip strategy is that it allows you to take advantage of compounding returns. Make sure to review your portfolio regularly and assess how your drip investments are performing. This strategy can ultimately help you build wealth and enhance your investment outcomes. Thank you for watching, and happy investing on Etrade.